A binary relation R on n cross n is defined as follows. A comma B related to C comma D if A less than or equal to C or B less than or equal to D. Consider the following propositions. P, R is reflexive, Q, R is transitive. Which of the following statements is true? And 4 statements have been given here. So this is a question from set theory. Here we have a given this particular relation R which states that A comma B is related to C comma D if A is less than or equal to C or B is less than or equal to D. Now let's take a look at the first statement. Statement P saying that R is reflexive. Now for any element A comma B, that element is related to itself. A comma B is related to A comma B itself. That's because A is less than or equal to A is true and B less than or equal to B also is true, and any one of these had to be true in order to this to be related to this. So clearly any A comma B we take, that is related to itself. So this relation is reflexive. So R is reflexive is true. Now let's take a look at Q. R is transitive. Now if you consider this, 1 comma 3 is related to 2 comma 0 since 1 is less than or equal to 2. Here 1 is less than or equal to 2. This satisfies this condition, A less than or equal to C condition. Similarly, this one 2 comma 0 is related to 0 comma 1. That's because this 0 is less than or equal to 1. This satisfies the condition B less than or equal to D. So 2 comma 0 is related to 0 comma 1. But 1 comma 3 is not related to 0 comma 1 because 1 less than or equal to 0 is false. Similarly 3 less than or equal to 1 is also false. So clearly we have a counter example to show that this relation is not transitive. So Q is false. So looking at the options, P is true and Q is false. Option B is the right answer here.